It's Sunday evening, the 29th of August, 2021. Earlier today, I was watching the news and I found out that using a drone, we blew up some suicide bombers in their SUV. How stupid are the Muslim terrorists? It was all over the news. The U.S. government was telling people there's going to be another terrorist attack. Get out of the way. Don't be there. And then someone snitched on the suicide bombers. Boo. Of course, there was sad news. They say there were some children in the vehicle with the bombers. Well, what do you expect from that kind of animal? They use children as shields all the time. They're cowards. They don't want to stand up to a pitched battle. So they disguise themselves like a big family in the car so they can get close and go bang. Now, admittedly, the U.S. military on occasion will blow up children because we have no choice. We don't hide behind them. We don't use them as weapons platforms. That happened a lot in Vietnam, I understand. Anyway. And then the president was at Dover Air Force Base. I believe that's where it was. That's where the U.S. military brings in the dead. Dover Air Force Base for the respectful and solemn transfer of the dead from the airplane to the hearses. I do imagine it was a very hard duty for Joe to carry out, having to stand there and watch boxes with young, dead Americans come off the airplane. And he meant it when he said, "We will find you and we will make you pay." So, Islamic terrorist, kiss it goodbye now, because we will find you. Blow your ass up, too. Good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Socially distance yourself. Because it's gotten past your life now. It's innocent people around you. Good night from California.